One way that it shows up is through over-giving. So codependents are the most generous people in the world. They deeply want love, but this belief that they're not good enough keeps them in a cycle of trying to prove their value to other people, hoping, praying. Another way that demonstrate and show this lack of worthiness and this belief that they're not good enough is through overachieving. They may have all kinds of degrees. They may strive in any endeavor to try to master it or achieve it. And then the third way that this scarcity mindset shows up for codependents is in perfectionism. So codependents have a deep need to do things right and to do them well.